I really like about the Makerspace that there is somewhere on campus that students can go and have resources to build things that interest them. The Makerspace is really accommodating for, let's give you the tools to build that thing you're thinking of.
I use the Makerspace as a prototyping tool. My supervisor, Dr. Ronald Soon, he proposed the idea. He's actually used this as a proof of concept that the Makerspace can be used in combination with chemistry. Initially, I would download the stuff that other people created, but creating an object from scratch and actually seeing it in hand was great.